Yeah, they met some friends who helped them on their path. Yeah, a demon came and stole their lives away. Yeah, the demon came and made sure that they'd all pay. Yeah, Shadow got possessed and murdered all his friends. Yeah, Adams ran away to Dina on that day. Yeah, Adams broke the portal to stop the beast and save his family and friends. Yeah, it was here that Shadow then knew to corrupt the world around it. But first Adams had to die. Yeah, later that day, Adam's little sis Bella went into the woods to find the brother who went away, and it was here where she died, died. Yeah, Adams ran away to Dina on that day. Yeah.